Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. I'm Mersado Dolao. I'm 24, single, and I'm college graduate.
What are the reasons why would you like to work in Hong Kong?
I would I would like to work in Hong Kong because I will help my own family.
An employer gets angry to your mistakes and shouts to you, what will you do?
I will say sorry and apologize to them and be careful next time. Do not do again.
Children are very naughty and always shout to you and hit you, what will you do to them?
I will be patient and I treat them as my own children or siblings and love them and treat them as a nice way.
If the house is on fire and you're inside with the children, what will you do?
First, I save the children and I call for fire station and inform to my employer immediately.
What will you do with the clothes before washing?
First, separate the white from the color, checking on it, the packet, if something inside it. I will return to my employer immediately.
If you find some money while jewelry in your employer's clothes or in the room, what will you do?
I will return to my employer immediately.
If the child gets injury or fever, what will you do?
I will give I will give first aid and I inform to my employer immediately.
You agree to renew another contract, employer question.
Yes.
What is your promise to your employer they will choose you to be their helper?
If you choose me to be your helper, I will promise to do my best to my duties and responsibilities. And I will finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. See you soon in Hong Kong.